Alright, so you have an M8 with no power, no red light to your remote. Here's how we're going to check that as a customer. So first, we're going to pop your door open and we're going to take a look right here. Pop this clip open and we're going to make sure this white plug is pressed in all the way. This connects all the power going to the door. So if this gets loose, your remote will not work. So that one's in place. Now we're going to check the fuse on the back side. So first, we're going to make sure the power's off. Pull this cord out. And the fuse is actually right back here. So the one that's in the chair is clasped right here. And we can take a look at that one and see that it's not broken. But if it is, there's a spare fuse inside. Now to reinstall that, just clicks right into place. Plug it in, turn it on. Now, if neither of those two options work, the next thing you can do to troubleshoot is essentially open this access panel here. Alright, so since this red LED is lit up, we know that the connection from here to the main PCB through all the relays is good. And so if we were not getting power to the remote, we would know that it is either between this PCB and the remote itself. That could be at a few places. The most common is going to be this plug here, which is what this retractor plugs into and then sends the signal up to the remote, or the connection inside of here could be detached if this gets pulled on too hard. Now, typically these connections do not come loose on their own, but if this remote gets tugged on really hard, it will pull out inside. So we'll use a smaller Phillips #1 screwdriver, pop that little guy off, and you can see that this thing had come out. So we'll just push that back in place. Our light came on, our remote works.